going to be making our jellyfish project. So the first thing we're going to do is set up our project. So you are going to want to choose a background, and I'm going to choose an ocean. So I'm going to do this one. And then I'm also going to choose a jellyfish. Now you could do a other animal, sea animal if you'd like, but I am doing jellyfish. So here is my jellyfish, and so now that I've got it set up, there's a couple things from you notice from the sample project that it's going to be hiding, it's going to be moving, it's going to be doing some different things. So we have to do some setup to get it ready. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to have a flag. Now on this flag, I want you to set the size to 100% because we're going to be changing the size and doing other things. So this will always get it back to the beginning. 100 is its original size. Now, I'm going to, so now because I'm going to have it moving and I won't want it just to move in a straight line, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to say point in the direction. So I'm going to say point in the direction, and you can choose any number you'd like. And as you do that, if you click on it, you'll see that he changes directions there. So you can kind of do that and just kind of choose a different one. Don't choose 90, choose something else. And then you can, now he's kind of ready to set up and go. The other thing that you're going to want to do is set up is because later he's going to hide. Anytime we have a hide, you want to have it show back up. So that way, when we are doing our beginning, this is our setup. The other thing that's really good is to give it a starting position. Now in this project, it doesn't matter where it starts, but if it did, I could say go to an XY position, or I could tell it to go to a random position to start. So now every time I start, he starts in a different position. So that just makes it just a little bit more interesting. So this is the project. So there's one other thing that you could set up is we're going to be doing some costumes. So if you look at costumes, you'll see he has different costumes, and we're going to be using those, but you could choose which one. So I'm going to say switch the costume to Jellyfish A, this is the one that it's on. So if I wanted to start on Jellyfish B, it would be that one, and either one is fine. So this is just kind of your setup for how you would start this project.